this because the guy who I learned how to screen printed with had only one request, and it was his shirt. He wanted this Paris Hilton t-shirt. This, I love Aphex Twin, and I only care because of the album cover. I chose because it was a little creepy, and I started making, I made like a bunch of, I don't even have a lot of the Aphex Twin bootlegs I made, but I made a bunch of bootleg shirts to sell on Depop because I thought they'd sell as well. This is a hard print because we have a bitmapped image on the front, and then we have my face on it, and then I have like the large print on the back, and at the time this is the biggest print I've ever done. I made this design for a specific sweatshirt, navy sweatshirt I got at Bulk Vintage, but I also put on this button up for the 4th of July last year. So my like third shirt I did was I just took a screen of an iPod, a bitmap iPod Shuffle I believe, and then just put it over a bunch of thrifted tees. Like this one's from Bulk Vintage as well. Same stitch. This is a test print for my friend Dimwit's merch, and I go follow Dimwit on YouTube, and I need to print more of these and I'm lazy, but I will print them soon. Okay, this is a shirt I made for a specific DJ set. The idea was to sell them, but I only made one, which is something that happens a lot for me. It says National Remix Association, and then on the back, this is my first attempt at registration, but I like kind of fucked it up. But it's supposed to have a bunch of targets and have a bunch of terrible like, I guess like people and professions, and then one target with DJing, and that's the only one with like holes in it. This is another shirt I made for a specific DJ set. This is the first time I did it, and there's only one of this, and it's for me. I drew this in my engineering management class, and this is the first shirt I like really designed. I thought of this design, and I was like, this is funny. And it's I Heart Ambient. Oh, it's I Heart Ambient music. And the blanks I ordered online from this military surplus website. They're like German blanks, and they all came in little fucked up sizes, but I like them. I did this for my history of art final because my professor was chill, and I didn't like the merch that they had for this exhibit because I thought it was not good. This is just a test print tee for whenever I work with a friend's band. At this point I'm like, I don't want a new shirt every time I make a new shirt because I just have too many. I don't love all my designs. Alright, ready? Are you filming? Yeah. Alright, we got the Final Fantasy Play Booster. We're just limited to one per person, so we have to buy. I don't know any of the cards from the set. We're hoping to pull a Buster Sword or whatever this guy is. You know his name? Cloud. Yeah, Cloud would be cool. Then for the rare, Ultima. Destroy all artifacts and creatures end the turn. Bread. This card is ass. Definitely ass. It's like the worst board wipe. Oh, bruh. No. That's shit.
You're a freak.
I am
Alright, so I picked up a couple new clothing items. First off, I got this 70s short coat. I've always just really liked the style, the blue with the contrast white stitches, and I think this one's really nice. This one's fleece lined, so unfortunately I have to wait until the fall to wear it, but it's got some nice detailing, little red threads and white threads. The collar's a little bit messed up, but I think I could probably fix it. Alright, next up I got a pair of these 70s or 80s Sears denim. They have a little flare at the bottom. My mom said that they reminded her of the jeans that Kendrick Lamar wore at the Super Bowl halftime show last year. Not really a crazy special pair of jeans. I'm sure Sears made a ton of these back in the day, and there's many pairs of these jeans floating around, but they just fit really well. I like the little fading right there, nice whiskering. And last, I thrifted this Louis Vuitton scarf. It's got this on one side, and on the other side is gray, kind of the reverse. I don't know, I just think the pattern is kind of sick. It's not like the highest quality, it's super thin, but I'm sure it'll add a little bit of warmth in the fall or winter when I'm wearing it. And it's like a subtle piece, kind of a fun one. I feel like I dress pretty simple most of the time, so this could pop a little bit.
What is your freak?